Everyone keeps asking me on how to install these, so let me just go ahead and show you. These are just flexible LED panels that you stick directly here to the glass surface. So you could put this on your front windshield, your back windshield, or you could even put it inside your house. It's all controlled here from the free app on my phone, and you guys are going to be able to download this app and do all these different animations. And they have like over 6 different categories up top here you could choose from. They even have some for the holidays on here too. So if you guys want to grab a set of these, I have the 23-inch set of 2. I'll put the link right down below.